We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
After a really enjoyable time in the highlands of Boquete, Panama, and a really nice breakfast on our last morning, we're heading to the northwestern part of Panama to the beautiful islands of Bocas del Toro. Before that, here's some forgotten footage from Boquete. Chillest dog sitting on the dent in the car. Hey, buddy. Hey, doggy. Did you get hurt? Oh, you hurt your foot, buddy? Man, you sliced it. Do you want a piece? Yeah, there you go. Get a little snack while you rest and heal up. All right, last piece, buddy. There you go. All right, buddy. I gotta keep going. I wish you the best. Oh, buddy, you following me? You following me? We had to first take a bus back to David, which cost only $2 per person and took about an hour. Then a long, hot, jam-packed, sweaty, bumpy bus ride over the mountains to the town of Almirante for just $9 a piece. From there, we took a $1 taxi ride to then catch a $10 round-trip ferry to Isla Colón, which is the main island of Bocas del Toro. You can fly here from Panama City in much shorter time, but it costs quite a bit more. We also wanted to see Boquete, so it all worked out. But we will also be doing this in reverse to get back to Panama City. Maybe we should have splurged, I don't know. Anyway, from the main island, we actually then had to take a $1 per person water taxi just a few minutes over to Carenero Island, where we'll be staying at the Cosmic Crab Resort, which we actually found on Airbnb. This was the first time we ever stayed on the water, and for the price we paid, it was a great deal and something we should totally do again. What's up, guys? We are here at the Cosmic Crab on Carenero Island, I believe, in Bocas del Toro area of Panama. And we'll give you a quick room tour. Holy cow, it's bright.
But first, we're gonna show you our lounge area. This is our little balcony overlooking the water.
Very nice.
There's a slide maybe we could go on later.
Let's do it.
And follow me to the room.
All right, we're in the sea turtle room.
It's not too big, just enough for 2 people. We got our full-size bed, and the colors are really nice in here. I don't even know if there's a light.
It's on, it's just not that
it's just so bright outside. Pretty basic room setup. You got your big water on the shower. There is hot water. You got your toilet and your sink. And
that's about it.
Cosmic Crab. We picked it for the location and water, not the room.
Yep, it's not bad though. We'll be here for about a week. Hopefully it'll be pretty cozy. We'll get some nice sunsets. Here's everything we saw just from the property. I was hopeful to fly the drone here, but turns out we're actually too close to the airport. The good news is that Carenero Island walking trail goes all around the island, and I was able to get far enough away on the other side for a flight. Somehow I deleted most of the videos and just have them in a lower resolution, but I also shot some really nice photos. This little peninsula may have been my favorite spot on the island. Thanks to whoever built the bench here too. This image looks east at Carenero Island, and then Colón Island, where the airport is just behind it. And here are a few shots of Bastimentos Island to the west. Carenero is definitely more off the beaten path, considering it takes an extra water taxi to get here from the main island. There are only a few accommodations and restaurants. We walked through the local villages to see how they live. The poverty here definitely stuck out to us, especially considering we grew up in the suburbs in the USA. There's very basic housing, mostly made of tin and wood. Many seem to be without power. There are chickens and dogs wandering around free, and the overall level of maintenance was very low, with things like smelly garbage laying around, holes in the footbridges and homes, and seemingly no proper sewage system. We interacted with a few kids and greeted people as we passed through the village to get to the small supermarket, the few restaurants, and the Paddy Dive Center that I'll be talking more about in a future video. Looks like pieces of raw meat or something. A bunch of vultures getting at it. I don't really know exactly what the purpose of this little channel is, but it's pretty clear and pretty looking with little fish in it. But I feel like it's where the sewage goes. Like that's quite possibly where sewage drops out of somebody's house. 1789 to 1830. Dang, he was 41. That means I'd be dead in 13 and a half years. That's crazy. Better live it up. Apparently Google Translate says it means I break my sword before the law. I don't know exactly how to interpret that. Doggy. Oh, gato pequeño. Hola, tu gato?
Like, we got off a regular boat. It wasn't a ferry.
Oh, so that's like a car ferry. Hola. No, gracias. And that about wraps this one up. In the next video, we take a day trip to some of the most beautiful tropical islands we've ever seen. So like the video, drop a comment below, and stay tuned for more.